truck. Yeah, piece of shit. Awesome. Shop truck, check it out. That's pretty cool. Check out the nice clouds. I like it. I just had a Chevy, drove it about 200 miles to the same year, 04. This is the 04, I had a Chevy Cavalier. This is a Toyota Echo. 100,000 on it, the other car had 100,000 on it. The air doesn't work, but this thing just drives so much better than a Chevy does. It's unbelievable. So much faster too, and it's a little 4-cylinder automatic. Got a crazy growling noise. Yeah, no air. Maybe the growling noise is the compressor. Who knows? Alright, I made it. No air. It's hot. It's very hot.